Are you gonna go get it? Go get it. You gotta get on your knees and crawl. There you go.
It looks like he was about to crawl. You taking a video. Gonna try crawling. You're gonna try crawling. Boom.
You're going backwards.
You're like, oh, I can go backwards. In my hand.
You giving up?
He said, yes, I am giving up. It's too hard.